What's up, gals and pals? If you are anything like your pal Vino here, then you love amaro. And if you love amaro, then you've probably heard of gentian root. Now, if you have never heard of gentian root, it is one of the bittering agents used in most amaro. Now, while in most amaro, gentian root is one of many ingredients, when it comes to gentian liqueur, it is the main ingredient. And the most popular of gentian liqueurs is the French-made Suze. Now, when it comes to gentian liqueur, you're gonna get notes of, earthiness and vegetal, floral, and of course, bitter. And what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna show you guys how to make 2 delicious cocktails using gentian liqueur. I'm gonna be using Suze. Of course, you can use whatever gentian liqueur you have at home, but if you wanna learn how to make your own gentian liqueur, I'm gonna put a link down in the description to my buddy Rob of Rob's Home Bar, who has made his own gentian liqueur, and you guys might wanna go ahead and experiment, make your own, all right? Anyway, folks, look, before I make these cocktails, I need you to do me a favor, okay? I need you to go ahead and hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can help feed the hungry algorithm, and make sure you stick around because we're about to boogie down. All right, folks, so the first gentian liqueur cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys is called the Brown Bomber. And this one was created by the legendary Jim Meehan of PDT in New York City. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, so the next cocktail I'm gonna make for you guys using gentian liqueur is called the Lazy Suze, and it was created by Erin Dumas at Lighthouse in New York City. Let us look at what is in the sauce. All right, folks, let's go ahead and give our 2 gentian liqueur cocktails featuring Suze a sippy sip. And we're gonna start with the Brown Bomber. Cheers. Love this cocktail. Now, I've had this one before, and I knew that I had to share it with you guys. It is absolutely fantastic, guys. I love the way the Lillet Blanc shows up in this one. It really accentuates the floral notes that are already in the Suze. You're not getting too much bitterness. I mean, it does add a little bit of roundness, the Suze, a little bit of bitterness there, but you're getting those earthy notes and those vegetal notes. I really love this cocktail, guys. Anyway, so let's go ahead now and try the Lazy Suze cocktail, which I have not had before. Cheers. Oh, that's nice. That is a great summery cocktail, man. Like, this is something that would be fantastic, like at a brunch or something like that. It's light. It's definitely floral and aromatic. It's got a beautiful kind of like, I don't know, there's a brightness to it that I'm really enjoying. This is a nice little cocktail, guys. I don't drink too many highballs. I haven't been drinking many, in my elder years. You know what I'm saying? I drink a lot of stuff like this, but this is a very nice little drink. Oh yeah, very nice. And I think what's great about this one is that it's a great way to maybe introduce Suze to folks, because what you're really getting here is more of those grapefruit notes, but it doesn't overpower the cocktail. You definitely still taste the Suze. Again, you're getting some of those earthy and vegetal notes, but they're very pleasant and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, look, if you like this video, please press like, please subscribe, and please share it with your family and friends. Remember, sharing is caring, and when life gives you lemons, make yourself a cocktail. Cheers.